Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide Ultra. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. The 2016 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide Ultra with 28,171 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a keyless ignition, heated grips, ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with 8-inch handlebars, auxiliary saddlebag lights, LED auxiliary front turn signals, a saddleman seat, and engine heat shields. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide puts 115 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road Glide has a 220 to 240-mile range. It has a 29.7-inch seat height and a 968-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, installed the new front tire, and the rear is at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the left saddlebag, and a paint blemish on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.